What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in Photoshop to do some retouching. So there is no retouching that won't use frequency separation. All retouchers do use frequency separation, and I say 99% or maybe 99% must use frequency separation, or trying to blend the colors and make things come out with the best quality as they can. Alright, so today we're going to be using that procedure, and also I like keeping things natural, and so I don't like balancing the skin texture or the skin tone. I don't actually make the skin color or skin tone uniform. I just go straight to the point. But if I was to edit, I'll actually go with making the skin tones uniform, but in this case I'm just going to leave it out. So let's perform some frequency separation. Ctrl J twice, and I'm going to quickly run through this. Select the down layer, go to blur. You all know how to do frequency separation, and I can leave it like that. Let's take it up a little bit, and the more you blur, the more texture you have. Select the upper one on it, go to apply image, and then we have click the layer menu and select the one in the middle. Okay, I didn't rename it, so you know what to do. Blending, subtract. You all know I just want to go fast with this process. Change the blending mode to linear light. Control, click on the other one, and then group it. Open up the group, select this one, your mixer tool, and let's start blending the image. So like I said, I'm done with the frequency separation. Before, zoom in, let's do after. Before and after. We can also do some dodging and burning and make things look interesting. But let's go to filter, camera raw filter. First of all, create a stem visible layer. Go to filter. Oh, why am I always going to camera raw filter? Let's just edit things without camera raw filter. Yeah, I want to go to brightness and increase the brightness of the image like that. And you can mask it out, but let's take it up the moment, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, so now let's do some dodging and burning. Go to curves. I'm gonna increase this one. Yeah, too bright, I know. In fact, the mask, create another one, and then we're gonna drag it down. Don't mind me, my step, I'm just avoiding some things. Let's drag it down like that. Still put it down. Yeah, okay. So invert the mask and pick up the brush tool. Let's start with the hole. Yeah, and then I'm going to make it bigger and drag the mask, and we have something like that. So the one, and I can make this one like this and like this. Can dab one there, take that. Let's just put it in some places. Yeah, so something like that looks fine to me. I'm gonna come here, and then I'm gonna increase the nose. Let's enhance the highlight, so like you're doing some makeup. Yeah, interesting, right? Yeah, okay, so something like that. I'm gonna go to window, properties, and let's fade it out just a bit like that till we're finished looking at it. I'm gonna click this one and then do the same, fade it out just like that, and let's see how it affects image. Okay, so now we can click on color range, go to filter, color, select color range, and then select the background. Hold down shift, select more of the background, and while I want to do this, I want to decrease the lightness, so we can go to brightness and then decrease the brightness of that side. Zoom in, take the brightness down. I didn't select it, sorry. I'm going to undo that. Ctrl Z, go to filter, select color range, and we have that. I'm going to select okay, so it's going to apply on the mask, and then click on the brightness, and I'm going to bring it down a little, not too much, just like that. That seems fine to me. So just a little bit. Can decrease the opacity somewhere around there, and I can hold down Alt and click on the mask, and I'm going to remove it. Change the color to black, X, and then remove it from the eyes and from this side, and hold down Alt and click this one, and then we're good. Okay, so the last thing is to add some hue saturation. Go in and increase the saturation and just to a sweet spot, and then we are good. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You can also whiten the eyes. Go to filter, photo filter, color warming 8, yeah, and then invert, Control I, take the brush, foreground color X to white, and then you can click on that just to make the teeth. I'm going to remove that and make it whiter like that, and then we have it like this. Interesting. So let's create star invisible layer. Hold down Shift and click on everything, group it together. I'm going to turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Let's see our before, and then we have before and now after. Let's zoom in, take it up. We have before and then after. Amazing. If you enjoyed the tutorial, kindly hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Once again, this is ASAS Studio. All right, thank you guys.